Groundwater intrusion is no match for Liberty Pump's wide array of professional-grade sump pumps. Liberty's heavy-duty sump pumps are available with 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 3/4 horsepower motors. With over 7 innovative models to choose from, these robust sump pumps are built to last. Made from either heavy cast iron or finned aluminum for cool operation, these sump pumps feature energy-efficient motor designs which use less electricity while still providing high output performance. 2 switch options utilize either vertical magnetic floats or wide-angle floats with piggyback plugs. In the event of a power outage, our battery backup model is the perfect solution. Or choose the very popular water-powered sump jet, which needs no electricity whatsoever to operate. No matter which model is right for you, every sump pump is backed by Liberty's quality assurance and commitment to service.